In this video, I will show you how to remove armor trims in Minecraft. Step 1. You'll need a grindstone. If you don't already have one, craft it with 2 sticks, 2 wooden planks, and stone slab, or you can find one in a village. Step 2. Open the grindstone by right-clicking it. This tool is usually what players use to remove enchantments from weapons, tools, and armors. Step 3. Place your trimmed armor piece into one of the input slots. You will notice that where the grindstone lets you clear enchantments, the trim itself does not disappear. And that's the thing. Once you apply a trim at the smithing table, there's no way to remove it or change it back to plain armor. They're meant to be decorative, kind of like a style upgrade for your gear. So the only solution to this is to craft or find a brand new piece of armor. Fresh armor has no trims, and you can choose whether or not to add one later.